Alrighty. Dog's barking, but today is harvest day. I've harvested some potatoes from down here. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest. Hopefully you can see it. And I do it. So let's see. Where'd that potato go, babe? Where'd that potato go? There's no big potato in there. Go ahead and take these out and see what I get. I only put 6 potatoes down here, so hopefully I'll get something. I got some little ones. And probably doing it too soon, but I'm just that girl that just does shit early. There go one. There go one. Ooh, this is a big one. I was scared they're going to see. This is what I was afraid of. This is a big one, and I was scared they're going to do that. Oh my God, I'm embarrassed. That's why I wanted to come out here and get them, so they wouldn't get all rotten. And that was a big juicy potato. So just keep going. Ooh, some down here too. So I'm gonna move all the little leaves off the top out of the way. There's one. There's two. I hope I got some more big ones down here, because that's sad if the big ones just came off the top and that little one. Hey y'all. So I'm gonna dig all the way down in here and see what I got. More littles. More. Let's see after I sift through here. Ooh, that's a big one. Look at that one. So I'll be able to make some baked potatoes out of some of these. Some I'll just, these are Yukon Golds, by the way. I want to dig all the way down in here because I don't want to miss anything. Mind you, I only had like 3 big potatoes in here. Was it 3? Oh, here's another one over here. And I think they probably, yep, they went all the way over here. Oh, that's probably why the other things couldn't grow. Yep, look at that. The something couldn't grow over. Golly, look at it. Yukon Golds everywhere. Baby ones. There go another. Ooh, look at that big one. So I just. Oh, there go another one. I want to see my little harvest. I'm going to show off my harvest. God dang it. Yep, there's that one. Ooh, let me get down in here. I'm hoping it's way down in here. Ooh, look at this one, guys. Look at that big one. Look at that big one. Oh, yes, honey baby dogs. Oh, Lord, look at this one. Oh, Lord. Oh, look at that one. Oh, Lord, there's big ones over here. I wonder why they're so big on this side. Woo. Oh. Come on, tell me y'all way down in here. I don't know if y'all way down in there. I'm reaching for gold. I gotta find out what I'm gonna put right here next. Oh, golly, y'all, look. Look at these big old. Oh, Lord, look at these big old. Oh, got another rock one. Wonder if I can save half of this one. I think I'm gonna try to save it. That's a big one, though, look. There's another one in here. This all out the way. I don't want to miss anything, you heard? Oh, look at these down here, guys. Oh, anything over here? That. I gotta be careful. I got stuff over there. Just make sure there's nothing else over here. Let's do this. And it goes, folks. This is what I ended up with. These right here have rot, but I'm gonna save. I'm gonna cut off the rot and keep the other ones and just cook. But the rest of these, all Yukon Golds. Some pretty big ones. These are probably the ones that I started with. I know I started with 3. So 3 potatoes, and I just scattered them about. And this is what I got. Enough for me to get me through the winter. I don't really eat a whole lot of potatoes, but I'll have to harden them off and then put them in storage. Don't wash them though. Yeah, so I feel successful this year. Last year I did not. So peace.